Okay, I haven't given an update in a while. Drywall. All I'm doing is mudding. Um, I've had to leave the existing drywall with the texture up here. It's just too labor intensive to rip it all apart. But the framing wasn't done correctly anywhere. My God, there's a 2.5 inch difference here with this wall. So I've had to use a lot of drywall mud. Oh, just to fill in stuff, and I can't put too thick of a layer or else it cracks. But you can see here, this isn't a mudding job here. So I'm having to sand all this stuff and then feather in these joints. We only need a level 3. We're gonna put texture on it, but some of this isn't even a first coat. I mean, so it's just taken me a long time. You can see things like nails or drywall screws, they have to be re-put back in, and I don't know, this texture is just being a pain in the ass. There's a lot of structural stuff I've got to fix here. This gap here is 3 inches, comes down to 2. Well, that's more than 3 inches. It's got to be 4. So that's what I'm doing, and that's what's taken so long. Just feathering in this existing stuff and sanding. Sand. Another drywall screw. So we're moving right along. Someday.